A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. So we need to find the perimeter of the rectangular sheet of paper. Let's say suppose this is a rectangular sheet of paper. Okay. Now this is the length and this is the width, or we can say breadth also. Okay. Both are correct. Alright. Now what is the length given? 12 1 by 2 centimeter. Alright. And what is the breadth given? 10 2 by 3 centimeter. We need to find the perimeter of this rectangle. So how can we find the perimeter of this rectangle? It's nothing but, perimeter is nothing but the length of the borders. That's it. Okay. Whether it's a rectangular sheet of paper or a rectangular field or whatever. Okay. Any field, if they are asking you to find the perimeter of a field or a perimeter of a rectangle or perimeter of a square or whatever, we just need to find the length of the borders. That's it. What are the borders here? See, from here to here, till here, and then till here, and then again till here. Okay, if we find the length of all this, we just need to add the length of all these four borders and we get the perimeter. Okay, so here this is a rectangle. Alright, from here to here is the length is 12 1 by 2 centimeter, and then from here to here is width, or we can call it as breadth, which is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. So what will be from here to here? It's again 12 1 by 2 centimeter, and then from here to here is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. So we just need to find the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Okay. So L plus B plus L plus B, which is equal to L plus L is 2L. 2L plus B is 2B, which is nothing but, see, 2 common outside. So you get L plus B. Alright, this is how you get the formula for perimeter of a rectangle. If you are not able to remember this, even if you by heart the formula, that is perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, perimeter of a rectangle is always 2 into L plus B. You just need to remember this formula. If you don't know, just remember this concept, how to do, and just add and find out. Alright, both ways it's correct. So the perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. We know L and we know B. We just need to substitute and find the answer. Alright, so let's do this. See, I've already started. Length of a rectangular paper is rectangular sheet of paper is 12 1 by 2 centimeter. So 12 1 by 2 is, how can you do? Just put into here and plus here. So start from the denominator. 2 into 12 is 24 plus 1 is 25. 25 by 2 centimeter. Right. Okay. Next is breadth of the rectangular paper. Rectangular paper, which is equal to 10 2 by 3 centimeter. Again put into here and plus here. So what is 3 into 10? 30. 30 plus 2 is 32 divided by 3 centimeter. Alright, okay. Now perimeter. What is perimeter of a rectangle? Of a rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B. Okay, this is the formula which we need to remember. Alright, that is 2 into, what is L? 25 by 2 plus B. What is B? 32 by 3. Okay, which is equal to 2. Let's find the LCM for this. Okay, when we find the LCM, what do we get? See, LCM 2, 3. 2 1s are, okay, so 2, 3, 2 1s are 2, and then 3 here, 3 1s are. LCM is equal to 2 into 3, which is equal to 6. Alright, so 2 into, let's finish off the simplification inside the bracket first. Alright, so here it becomes 6, and take the whole term, 25 by 2 into LCM. Alright, so this becomes square bracket. I'll make this into square bracket plus, and what do we have? The whole term, take the whole term, 32 by 3 into LCM. LCM is 6. Okay, which is equal to, now here 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So what do we have? Here 2, and then 25 into 3 plus 32 into 2. denominator is 1, so we can ignore, alright, and then divided by the whole denominator, which is 6, which is equal to, now here 2 into 25 3s are 75, so 75 plus 32 2s are 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, divided by 6, which is equal to 2 into, what is 75 plus 64 by 6, which is equal to 2 into, what is 5 plus 4? 9, and then 7 plus 6 is 13. So this becomes 139 divided by 6, correct? So this can be written as 2 into 139 divided by 6. This is 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6, okay, which is equal to 139 by 3, alright, 139 by 3. 139 by 3 we can't divide because 139 doesn't go in 3 table, alright, so we'll directly divide this and make it into mixed fraction, because this is an improper fraction since numerator is more than the denominator, alright. So this is 139, here it is 3, alright. So 3 how many times? 3 6 are, sorry, 3 4s are 12, okay, 3 4s are 12, then 1 9, okay, 3 how many times? 3 6 are 18, 18, so it is 1 here, alright. So what have we got here? 46. Start from the quotient and then come to the remainder and then go to the divisor, alright, which is equal to 46 1 by 3, 46 1 by 3 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of rectangular paper is equal to 46 1 by 3 centimeter.